Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I have a big announcement for everybody in the CCK, also known as Casual Chef's Kitchen. I am now announcing the third 3-ingredient challenge. The fun fact is, I'm not doing the cooking, you are. I want you, the members, to submit to CCK a protein, a vegetable, and what I'm calling a wild card or a third ingredient of your choice. Now, as the submissions come in, I possibly will be changing or adding my own ingredients to the 3. Then your job, if you choose to accept the challenge from the Casual Chef's Kitchen, to prepare a meal or dishes using the 3 ingredients that are presented to the group. There will be a deadline. Like before, the other 2 challenges, the 3 ingredients must be available in a normal grocery store like Bel Air, Raley's, Safeway, Walmart, etc. So, starting when I announce again, we will start the challenge and I will start asking for the submissions for this challenge. The 3-ingredient challenge, cooked by you. Have a great day. Have some great food. Enjoy.